Imagine flying across the world for a degree, only to find out you're racing against a 4-year clock. The US is planning to cap F-1 student visas at just 4 years. And that's got Indian STEM students, researchers, and study abroad consultants raising alarms. The Department of Homeland Security has proposed replacing the flexible duration of status system with a fixed 4-year limit on all F-1 visas. That means even if your degree needs more time, like a PhD STEM research or a medical program, you'll have to file for an extension halfway through. The post-study grace period could shrink from 60 days to 30. Biometric checks will increase, and the flexibility around program changes may be gone. Consultants in India are already reacting. Ritika Gupta from A-Era Consultants says, "It's turning what should be an academic journey into a countdown clock." Abhijit Zaveri adds, "This isn't a retreat, it's a realignment." And yes, students are exploring other countries now. India has more than 370,000 students currently in the US, most of them in intensive degree programs that don't always finish on time. Parents are worried, students are rethinking their plans, and competitors like Canada, UAE, and Singapore are waiting to welcome them. So what should you do now? Experts say keep backup options. Not just universities, but also countries. Try to plan programs within 4 years if possible. Budget extra time and money for visa extensions. And don't panic, most master's programs still finish within 24-36 months. F-1 visas aren't dead, they're just getting more regulated. Be strategic, not scared. The US still offers world-class universities, but the rules are changing fast. Are you rethinking your US study plans after this news? Comment below and tell us where you're applying now. And subscribe for more updates on visa changes and global education trends.